Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. Right now my portfolio is at $51,104.89. Today I'm up $1,221. That's a 2.45% gain for today. So what happened today was things were going really well. I mean, at one point my portfolio was like above $53,000. It was almost at $54,000 at some points. But news came out about Biden's plan to increase the capital gains tax for people who are wealthy and making over $1 million. And it's almost going to double the capital gains tax. And because of that, a lot of people decided to sell out and a lot of stocks dipped on that news. If we look at some of the stocks I'm investing in, for example, PSTH, look what happened. In the beginning, it was going up and up, and then in the middle of the day, once the news came out, it went straight down. This happened with ARCX also. I have a spread in this. Look what happened. It was going up and up, doing well, and then went straight down. What else? Same thing happened with the firm. The firm went up and up. It went over $70 a share at one point, and then went down. So yeah, this happened with a lot of the stocks that I'm investing in. They were doing so well in the morning and towards the middle of the day, but once the news got out about Biden's plan to increase the capital gains tax for wealthy people, a lot of stocks went downward at that point. And the thing is, I'm not someone who's making over $1 million a year, right? I'm not that rich. However, I'm being indirectly affected because even though I'm not being directly affected by having to pay twice as much capital gains, I am being indirectly affected because the stocks that I'm investing in, they're dipping because of this news. So it indirectly affects me negatively. I mean, I understand. I understand both sides of this issue, right? Because yes, it's targeting people who are super wealthy and don't require all that money. However, people who aren't rich and who are just trying to invest in stocks, they're being affected too. I'm pretty sure when more news comes out and we have more details, then we'll get a clear picture of how investors want to react to this. But I feel like today was like a knee-jerk reaction to it when everything dipped. I still ended in the green today. However, it could have been much better if that didn't happen. You know, like I said, in the beginning, in the morning, things were going up and they were doing really well. I thought that I was going to end way into the green, like above 53,000. That's what I thought. And then all of a sudden, in the middle of the day, everything went down. But I'm glad that I still have gains for today. You know, I'm still in the green for today. So that's good. But now there's a lot of uncertainty about what's going to happen with this capital gains tax increase. We don't know for sure because right now nobody knows the specific details or if it's even going to pass. So people are having initial reactions to it today, and then I think next week we'll have a better understanding of where the market wants to go. I don't know. I don't know what to do because I'm not sure if stocks are going to go even lower from this point, from this news. And I just got into all of these spreads too, which is crazy. I mean, I really hope that we can just push through this and continue, but I don't know. I'm not really sure what all the whales and all the wealthy people in the market are going to do if they're all going to pull out at once. I guess we'll have to wait and see. what I'm really glad is that a lot of my portfolios in SPACs, which generally have a floor, right? They usually have a floor of like $10. So I'm really happy about that. I don't feel as in danger with the SPACs because they have a floor. So I'm okay with those. But things like AFRM, for example, which is around 60 something dollars, I'm afraid for that. Maybe even BABA too. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna. There's uncertainty now. You know, I'm not really sure what exactly to expect at this point. But yeah, stocks did dip a lot today in the middle of the day. Most of my plays, they're actually profitable now. Let's go through them. So I got the IPOD 7.5 $10 call debit spread expiring October 15th. Total return plus 20%. So this is doing really well. 20% return already. AFRM, the $45 $50 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return minus 3.27%. I got the AFRM $40 $60 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return plus 3.32%. Alibaba 210 220 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return plus 6.9%. Alibaba $195 $200 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return plus 2.94%. BSAH 7.5 12.5 call debit spread expiring November 19th. Total return plus 7.73%. I'm not going to count this call because I bought it for no reason. IPOF 7.5 $10 call debit spread expiring December 17th. Total return minus 0.59%. That's pretty much break even. IPOF 7.5 12.5 call debit spread expiring December 17th. Total return plus 6.57%. ARCX $15 $21 call debit spread expiring January 20th 2023. Total return minus 14.36%. But honestly, I wouldn't trust that price. PSTH $15 $25 call debit spread expiration date January 20th 2023. Total return plus 0.65%. So I believe most of my plays are profitable right now, and this is one of the better days I've had in a while. Made over $1,200 today, so I'm happy. But I feel like things were going so well, and I thought I was gonna make big gains today, and then in the middle of the day, once that news came out, it was all ruined. That's how I feel like. We'll see what the long-term implications of this are. Like, it's still news right now, right? We don't have the specific details yet. So I think we need to wait and see for more specific details to come out, and then we'll have a clear picture. I'm not going to sell out of any of my spreads just yet. I'm going to hold on to these and wait and see what happens and see how the market reacts to this news next week. But yeah, I think without the news of the increase in capital gains tax, things would have gone really well today. That's what I believe. Now I have a lot more faith, if things go smoothly, that a lot of my plays will recover. They're already profitable right now. I just need to wait for more time to pass so I could get some more gains from time passing, basically. A lot of these expire later into the year, so I have to wait. I don't know. I've got mixed feelings about this, you know? Like, I know the intentions are good to help the little guy and to help families and children with their education. But there are obviously negative implications of this too, you know. We'll wait and see what happens. All right. That's it for this portfolio update. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. And I hope you guys are doing well in your portfolios. Hopefully you guys didn't suffer too much from the news today, you know. All right. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.